How to find out Merge PST and launch the software. First of all, type Merge PST Betavare in Google search engine bar. Then click on here to open our website. Here is our website, betavare.com. Click on the Download Now button. Click on the Run button. Then select the I accept the agreement option. Then, click on Next button. Check on the box if you want to create a shortcut on desktop. Then click Next to continue. Then click on the Install button. Now click the box on Launch Merge PST and click on the Finish button. How to migrate PST file with this software. First, you need to install Merge PST on your computer and open it. You will get two input options, File Mode or Folder Mode. Choose any one. Then click on the Browse button for the select PST file. There are also two options available to move your selected file, move up or move down. Click on the Browse button to select your output file location. Finally, click on the Merge Now button to start the process. How to uninstall the Merge PST Exporter software. When you open Control Panel, then click on the Programs icon. Then click on Uninstall a Program menu. Select the software and click the Uninstall button. Choose Yes for uninstalling software. Now, you successfully uninstall this software. Thanks for going through this video. I hope now you have got the answer to the Export Merge PST file.